Hey there, my name is Barry, and today I'm going to walk you through installing WordPress on your Mac in MAMP. So, first of all, I'm going to assume that you've already downloaded MAMP, and it's alright if you haven't used it before. I'll go ahead and walk you through the basics. We'll start by downloading the latest version of WordPress, and I've just done that. You can just go to wordpress.org/download and click this button. And so basically we're going to be working with the files, setting up a database, and then going through the WordPress installation. So it doesn't take that much time, but I know it can be a bit confusing. So I will help you out. So why don't we go ahead and start by clicking Finder and go in your applications and go into the MAMP folder. And if you go to the htdocs folder, within it, I've already gone ahead and done this, but well, I'll redo it. So in the htdocs folder, why don't you go ahead and drag your WordPress download there, and go ahead and unzip it. And so now we have a WordPress folder with the 3.8 files in the htdocs folder. And so this WordPress folder becomes like the public root folder, right? So if you are familiar setting up a site on a web host where you have public_HTML, that kind of takes this kind of takes the place of that. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and fire up MAMP. So if you've gone, I'll walk you through this too. So if you go Applications, MAMP, and then click the icon, and we'll just go Launch MAMP, not Launch MAMP Pro, and go ahead and click Start Servers, and we'll start the Apache server and the MySQL server. And in this window, we'll go ahead and click phpMyAdmin. And from here, we'll go ahead and create a new database for the WordPress installation. So you click Databases, and let's call it something simple and intuitive, WordPress, and create. Boom! Database has been created. And you'll see there's no tables yet, but that'll come later. That WordPress will do that automatically during the installation. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and copy just this part, the localhost :8888. So I've selected that, Apple C to copy, and then Apple T, open a new tab, and I'll go ahead and paste it. And so now this directory listing should reflect what's in your htdocs folder. So basically when you're browsing localhost :8888, you're looking directly into this htdocs folder. And so we'll go ahead and click on the WordPress folder. And similar, like if you're here, you're looking at directly at the files, but since we're on the browser, it's viewing it like it's browsing the website. So we're going to go ahead and click Create Configuration File. And this is going to ask you for information about the database. So let's click Let's Go. And the database name should match whatever used, what we just used in the phpMyAdmin. So again, we just used the word WordPress. And by default, MAMP sets the username and password to the word root. So ROOT. So we'll go ahead and put that in as the username and the password. And the database host, just keep it localhost. And the table prefix, just for security purposes, probably a good habit to get into to use something besides WP_. So let's just try, I don't know, J3_. Submit and run the install. And so now we're actually just at the WordPress installation window, and we'll go ahead and give it a site title. So 40 media MAMP install, username, password, which I will not share with you, and email. And I'm just going to go ahead and unclick Allow Search Engines to index the site and install WordPress. And that's it. It's installed now. I can log in with that username and password I just created. And I'm in. And this is happening on my local machine, on my Mac. So yeah, that's, I told you it's quick. I realize you may have some questions, so please feel free to ask them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. And also, I am available for WordPress tutoring, so if you want to check out my website, 4d-media.ca, and get in touch with me through there or this channel, please feel free to do so. And I wish you the best with your site, and there should be more videos to come. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.